Welcome to the wonderful world of home gardening. Whether you're dreaming of a vibrant vegetable patch, a fragrant flower garden, or simply a few pots of herbs on your balcony, this guide will equip you with the knowledge and confidence to cultivate your own green oasis. We'll cover everything from planning and plant selection to essential tools and techniques, ensuring your gardening journey is both rewarding and enjoyable. Gardening is a rewarding hobby that connects us with nature, provides fresh produce, and beautifies our surroundings. Whether you have a spacious backyard or a small balcony, there are countless opportunities to cultivate a thriving garden at home. This guide will equip you with the essential knowledge and inspiration to embark on your gardening journey, even if you're a complete beginner. 1. Planning your garden. Before you delve into the exciting world of planting, careful planning is key. Consider these factors. Space. Assess the available space in your yard or on your balcony. Determine the size and shape of your garden beds or containers. Sunlight. Observe how sunlight falls on your chosen area throughout the day. Most plants thrive in full sun, 6+ hours daily, but some prefer partial shade or even full shade. Soil. Test your soil to understand its composition: clay, sandy, loamy. Amend the soil as needed to improve drainage and fertility. Water. Ensure adequate water access for your garden. Consider installing a drip irrigation system or using watering cans efficiently. Climate. Research your local climate and choose plants that are well suited to your region's temperature and rainfall patterns. 2. Choosing the right plants. Selecting the right plants is crucial for a successful garden. Consider these tips. Start small. Begin with a few easy-to-grow plants like lettuce, spinach, or sunflowers. Consider your interests. Choose plants that align with your goals, whether it's growing edible produce, attracting pollinators, or creating a beautiful landscape. Consult local resources. Visit your local nursery or garden center for expert advice on plant selection and care. Read plant labels. Carefully read plant labels for information on sun exposure, water requirements, and mature size. 3. Essential gardening tools. Invest in a few basic gardening tools to make your work easier and more enjoyable. Gloves. Protect your hands from dirt, thorns, and pests. Hand trowel. Ideal for digging small holes and transplanting seedlings. Garden fork. Used for loosening soil and turning compost. Watering can. For precise watering of individual plants. Hose. For efficient watering of larger areas. Pruning shears. For trimming plants and removing dead or damaged growth. 4. Preparing your garden bed. Proper soil preparation is essential for healthy plant growth. Clear the area. Remove any debris, weeds, or rocks. Till or dig. Loosen the soil to a depth of 8 to 12 inches. Amend the soil. Incorporate compost, manure, or other organic matter to improve soil fertility and drainage. Create raised beds. If your soil is poor or you have drainage issues, consider creating raised beds. 5. Planting techniques. Follow these steps for successful planting. Read plant instructions. Follow the specific planting instructions for each plant. Dig holes. Dig holes that are slightly larger than the root ball of each plant. Gently place plants. Place the plants in the holes, ensuring they are at the correct depth. Backfill with soil. Gently backfill the holes with soil, firming it around the roots. Water. Thoroughly. Water the newly planted plants deeply. 6. Watering your garden. Proper. Watering is crucial for plant health. Water. Water deeply and infrequently to encourage deep root growth. Water in the morning. Water early in the morning to minimize water loss through evaporation. Avoid overwatering. Overwatering can lead to root rot. Check soil moisture before watering. Use mulch. Apply a layer of mulch around your plants to conserve moisture and suppress weeds. 7. Fertilizing your garden. Fertilizing provides essential nutrients for plant growth. Choose the right fertilizer. Select a fertilizer that is appropriate for your plants and soil type. Follow package directions. Follow the recommended application rates and timing. Avoid over-fertilizing. Over-fertilizing can damage plants and harm the environment. Consider organic fertilizers. Organic fertilizers are slow-release and beneficial for soil health. By following these tips and seeking additional resources, you can confidently embark on your home gardening adventure and create a beautiful and productive garden that brings you joy for years to come. A heartfelt thank you for joining me on this gardening adventure. I hope this guide has inspired you to embark on your own home gardening journey and discover the joys of cultivating your own green oasis.